Hey, what's up everybody? I just got the Adamantium scrub from Dr. Squatch. We're going to open this up and check it out, see if it's any good. Of course, with the Deadpool and Wolverine movie that's out, Dr. Squatch had to jump on it, make a profit, as they always do. So we're going to test it out and see what we think. All right, so awesome packaging. I love the artwork on the front with the claws coming through. Nice artwork as always. So this is a heavy grit soap. It's exfoliating with alumina, and it has skin conditioning, resurrection, plant extracts, fresh scents of cypress, juniper, and moss. So let's check it out. Let's open it up. Let's see. I like the coloring. Very dark, almost like a burgundy and black. Nice coloring right there. I don't know if you could see that marbling. Off the bat, I could smell it. It smells really good. A little leathery. One of the things I like about Dr. Squatch soaps is the size. Fits very nicely in the hands. Doesn't fall out very easily like some of the other big bar soaps do. So we're going to hop in the shower, test it out, and I'll let you guys know what I think once it's all added up. All right, we're back, and we're all clean with the Adamantium scrub from Dr. Squatch. I liked it a lot. Smelled really good. It kind of reminded me of a mixture of a couple different ones. Maybe the Maverick Musk mixed with the Thor, possibly. But it definitely smelled familiar. If you want to see how it compares to the Maverick Musk, go check that video out that I posted earlier. But I did really like it. Would I buy it again? I did notice that this was about $1 more than some of the other soaps that they have. This was about $8 compared to $7 for some of the other soaps that they have. I guess because it's limited time. But I'm definitely glad I tried it out. Would I buy it again? Yes, but probably not for $8. But it was definitely worth checking out. But I want to thank you guys for checking out this video. And if you want to see more, don't forget to like and subscribe. And check out some of my older videos where I rate some of the other Dr. Squatch soaps.